Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Mode on your iPhone. This powerful feature, officially known as Focus Mode, is designed to help you achieve a state of calm and concentration by minimizing digital distractions. By customizing your settings, you can create a personalized environment that supports your focus, whether you're working, studying, or simply seeking a moment of peace. It's about taking control of your digital world to enhance your real-world experience, leading to greater productivity and a more serene mind. To begin customizing your Zen experience, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Focus. Here, you'll see various options to tailor your environment. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a brand new custom focus. You can give it a unique name, select a distinct color, and choose an icon that perfectly reflects your desired state of mind. Then, carefully select which people and apps are allowed to send you notifications, ensuring only essential alerts break your concentration. For a truly seamless Zen experience, automate your focus mode. You can set a schedule for it to activate automatically at specific times each day, perhaps for your morning meditation or evening wind down. Alternatively, link your focus mode to a particular app, like a reading app, so it turns on whenever you open it. Your iPhone can even learn your habits with smart activation, suggesting when to enable your focus mode. This ensures a consistent and effortless transition into your desired state of calm every single time. Beyond your iPhone's built-in features, many excellent third-party apps can further enhance your Zen mode. Consider integrating mindfulness and meditation apps, such as Calm or Headspace, for guided sessions and soothing soundscapes. These can help you achieve deeper relaxation and focus. Additionally, productivity apps that block distracting websites or social media can complement your focus mode, ensuring you stay on task. By combining these tools, you can create a comprehensive system for maintaining a state of calm and concentration throughout your entire day, achieving 100% peace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.